Welcome to German Shepherd World, a world where loyalty, obedience, cuteness, and boldness prevails. German Shepherds are one of the most popular and versatile dog breeds worldwide. They are intelligent, loyal, and protective, and energetic and playful.
Kindly remember to subscribe.
German Shepherds are known for their high intelligence and ability to learn commands quickly, making them excellent working dogs. They are known for their loyalty to their families and can be protective of their home and loved ones. They require regular exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy.
Wow, oh, 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 I love these dogs. Oh, 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 Wow, oh, 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 I love these dogs. Oh, 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 Wow, oh, 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 I love these dogs. Oh, 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 oh.
Subscribe.
Wow, oh, 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 I love these dogs. Oh, 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 Wow, oh, 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 I love these dogs. Oh, 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 oh.
Kindly remember to subscribe.
Thanks for watching.